Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this Google Map arrow not moving problem. So let's get started. First thing first, if your arrow of Google Maps is not moving, make sure that you have enabled location permissions. For that, you can simply open the drop-down menu and enable location. Another thing you want to make sure is your Google Maps is updated. Head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for Maps. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. And now let's move over to our settings. At the section, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. Here also search for your Maps application. Scroll below, tap storage, clear the cache. You may also clear the data once you read all these. Come back onto this app section, tap force stop, then OK. Now, lastly, if it's still not working, you can simply go ahead and look for other alternative app in your Play Store. If you simply search for Maps or Offline Map, it will show you various applications that can be used as a substitute for your Google Maps. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch you up in our next upload.